New day, snow as always.
I'm gonna drive to Kraków, see Christmas market, just walk around town. I'm in the front of the most famous, I think, shopping mall in Kraków. But I'm gonna go to Old Town. Okay, never mind. People gonna walk non-stop, so let's film something. We need to be careful. So freaking hard every single time to film in public. But I need to practice. Christmas tree. Police. Church in the background. Oh. I don't think you're flying right now is a good decision. Beautiful. Germany, but what we have here? Full of viewers are from US. That's watch me sometimes. So hi, USA. Hello, my viewers from US. Cannabis shop, that's a scam. I mean, they sell CBD. One more practice in a busy place with filming. Oh, it's even more snow. That's what I like to do the most. Find like beautiful pictures and film them. Magic. Top one view in Kraków. This exact spot. That's a nice shot. Old Rolls Royce in Kraków. Police. Time to go home, I'm getting hungry. That's gonna be me, I don't know, in 2 years. Maybe. I can't believe there is that much snow that early. I don't think we have winter. I want to buy a shoe. I love the design of Nike shoe, but they're so narrow here. What's up? I'm back home. 6X, I think that's enough. So I'm doing this. That's my problem. Video should be about Christmas market in Kraków and I'm cooking. But it's fine, that's my life. Leave my tripod. Bread. On a sandwich, I like to homemade ketchup. I don't know how to say that one. Best sandwich ever. Should start my cooking channel. Too much work. Bought new shoes. Skechers Go Wax 6. Most comfy shoe ever. Skechers outdoor. I got grip like tires, to car tires. I don't know, I just like Skechers as a company. For those shoe and Go Wax 6 I paid €115.